Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I'm going to show you how Kahoot works. Once you get onto Kahoot, this is what you can see once you push Start Quiz. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put into the game code 1590389, and I'm going to go ahead and play my Kahoot. The students can put in whatever name they would like. I always suggest telling them to go with their first name and their first name only, or first name and last initial. That way you can keep track of students and what they're doing, and if a student is struggling or not. I'm going to click go ahead and get started, and on the teacher end I'm going to go ahead and click start. Once you get started, you can see that the quiz is over 4-H trivia. This was a quiz that I made for 4-Hers in a 4-H club just to be an icebreaker. The question starts, what year did 4-H start? And it has this picture of a girl showing her lamb. And I'm going to go ahead and click the answer, and I was correct. The faster you click, the more points you get. So you can see here on the student end, it shows my answer streak 1, and then I'm on the podium. The podium shows the top 5, I believe, but since it's just me, you can see which place I'm at. I'm going to go ahead and click next, and I can see I'm on the podium. I'm first place. I'm the only one playing. We'll go ahead and go to the second question. What year did 4-H started? You can see the time clocking down here and the answers. I have this set so that it is goes finishes as soon as you click the answer. So the student clicked the answer, and then I can push next. What is the 4-H motto? 4-H motto is to make the best better. I'm going to go ahead and click, and you can see that I was correct. So what happens if you get a question wrong on Kahoot? Well, let's see. The original 4-H clubs were called, I'm just going to put 4-H leaders. I was wrong. Well, as a teacher, what would I do? I would explain why this student was wrong, or say, oh, that was a tricky one. It is the corn clubs. We could go ahead and talk about that as a class, or talk about that as the club, and move on. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And this is a 10 question quiz that I had for him. I'm going to just quickly to, for time's sake of this video. The color represented by 4-H is nature's most common color in the great outdoors, and the green color in the springtime is next. The first line of the 4-H pledge is, I like how this had this video. I put the more so that they could answer their question, take time, and learn about what 4-H is. And so they can click their answer. And since I have the question set to go, as soon as they click the answer, it can stop the video, but you can go back and rewatch the video if you would like. You can click your settings. You can show the standard. I could change it from Halloween to regular. It's Halloween season. Show questions and answers. I can click that on when the questions go as the educator. I can change it to full screen, and I can change the sound of my screen. I'm going to go ahead and click next so we can see the next 3 questions. 4-H stands for to adjourn the meeting means to end the meeting. So you can see the answers. You can see how that just changing that setting can give students the accommodations that they need. True or false? I can put true. Next, you can see once you're done, the podium, it won't have anybody for third place because there was nobody. Second place, and then first place would be myself. Um, you can see that how I won, and it gives this little celebration. And then I can click next, and it shows me the report. As a teacher, I can get feedback. I can play a new game. I can go over the questions that were given. I can view the full report, see the difficult questions. I like this question. How do you rank this Kahoot? It gives the students the ability to give feedback and tell them how the Kahoot went for them. You can submit that to them. Awesome. And that comes back to me. So that is how you use Kahoot. I hope that you will use Kahoot in the future.